Hello everyone, today we're going to make a positive video about Jasmy. In my last video I talked a lot of negative things about Jasmy Coin. For example, their website is not really in English, they don't treat frequently. However, today we're going to centering about certain things. What do you believe would they say they are at present doing generally perfect? Also, perhaps like 3 things that you had barely any familiarity with Jasper Coin. So first, above all else, there's no companionship exhortation guys, clearly, and I own a great deal of Jasper Coin, so remember that. So we should discuss first thing you, first of all, may not be aware of Jasmy Coin. Jasmy Coin might uncover in 2023. I got you with initial one. No. The main thing which Jasmy Coin is Jasmy Coin is recorded on Binance Markets. How about we go to Binance on Binance Purchased in Development Zone? What's the significance here? So that implies many individuals will get Jasmy Coin like a lot more straightforward, and this gives like Jasmy Coin like a bit notoriety. We can see, alright, like Binance is one of the greatest like everyday exchanging center points or markets. You can call it what you need. The first is Binance. Napit 3's initial one. My awful, my terrible. In any case, on the off chance that you like consolidate this one and this one, getting it will be like first in light of the fact that a ton of it's raised by an attempt by this coin. Like in the event that you join this one and this one restricting resembles the greatest one, and afterward like find this one great in light of the fact that most digital forms of money that are at this size around 220 million in the market cap have like top 3 like changes, and any remaining trades are totally not significant. However, they have like a tremendous measures of trades. I found that ridiculously great. I found that great that they're on like the greatest trade, and they said like purchasing, etc. of the greatest trades, and they say alright, we have confidence in the queen. Furthermore, above all else, we should discuss this Jasmy Coin. You likely all realize Jasmy Sovereign is an internet 3 digital currency from Japan. However, what they do, they say like your information is like your own data, similar to the information from you like ought to remain from you. No one ought to see this information. Furthermore, they're interfacing. They associating like essentially Web of Things or EO bit like their blockchain. They that handicap extraordinary in the tree. I found like one article that makes sense of that impeccably. What did that done flawlessly? They're essentially saying alright, me coin powers to Jasmy network made yet Japanese Web of Things given by fundamentally ordinary stuff in the Jasmy net from consistence consolidates blockchain with Web of Things innovation to safeguard clients' information to give clients absolute control of the individual data. That is essentially the thing Jasmy is doing. It interfaces specialist organizations and MODA clients and empowers the two gatherings to trade information in a trustless way between Web of Things gadgets and decentralized conventions. Essentially, that is the entire motivation behind Bitcoin. So we have like other digital currencies that are in like vector space, yet some, in the same way as other of these cryptographic forms of money are like attempting to be the following YouTube, are attempting to be the following super terrifying where you will visit with your companions the following Facebook or, I don't have the foggiest idea, next Twitter there. That is valid that they're similar to Web3, yet McQueen resembles the specialized Web3 since they simply do these conventions. They're attempting to save your information, to safeguard your information, and that is the reason I find this thought astonishing, and they simply need contract on Japanese market. You can see that in regrettable manner, however I see that in more certain way since Japan is one of the most mind-blowing like nations with regards to innovation, and assuming Petri comes to a country, it will presumably be Japan, and on the grounds that there simply is niching on this market. This could be that way. They get immense in Japan and they can move to like different areas on the planet. In any case, that are only my considerations, and that is the reason I'm seeing this digital money like super, very astonishing, and I in all actuality do truly think this content will act from here on out. Like for me, this is one of the greatest jam 2023. I said that a ton of times, and I will say it a ton of times since this resembles through innovation. We are here super, really early. Very few individuals are familiar this coin or they know it, yet they simply watching YouTube recordings like me. However, they're simply watching this YouTube recordings dislike truly getting it. They have it quite recently on their watch list. Furthermore, for me like this is one of the greatest chances to purchase like the greatest open door by the transport around here. Presently we're somewhat on the like last level, yet it's not awful. In any case, for me as is this still a major, enormous chance to purchase this cryptographic money. Guys, that is a major update. If you all partake in the substance, you need to keep awake to date. Gratitude for watching guys. See you in the following one.